back this evening. I've had a few days off because I've not been feeling good, but this evening I thought, do you know what, I actually feel good enough to make a film. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, I thought I felt alright enough to film. That's the thing with these pain conditions, chronic fatigue, whatever, you just get really hit sometimes for no reason. Honestly, I've been feeling hungover for about 4 days and I don't even drink anymore. God, I miss drinking. Anyway, off the subject. So I wanted to do an unboxing for you, which is really late actually, because it is June's Asos box. Now I got this ages ago. I got it before my Asos calendar, but then I did the calendar and everyone else had already put up their Asos box and I was like, oh, should I, shouldn't I? Nah. I thought, well, do you know what, why not have my take on it as well, because everyone's opinion counts, right? And I just wanted to get to these goodies inside here. So if you want to hear what I have to say about June's Asos box and find out whether you should be getting in line for July's box, you know what I'd love you to do. Hit that subscribe button, join my High Def family, and I've got a giveaway that's about to start in the next video, or the one that's just gone up. I'm not sure. It's around somewhere. So, you know, be subscribed because that's the way you are in it to win it. Of course, you can hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. It would be great if you could share this video, and it would be amazing if you give it a thumbs up because it makes me so happy. Right, let's get into the video. Like every month now, Asos is coming out with a box for £12 plus P&P, or if you spend £15 or more, then P&P is free. So you might as well just tack a little something extra on, to get the free P&P. And it's had some really good stuff. Some of the other ones I really like the look of, but I've missed out on, and then the other ones I didn't care for. But this one, I thought, oh yeah, that's up my street. That's a bit of me. So why not? Let's just open it up, shall we? Now, it's not a subscription. You buy it every month, and I feel like it comes out around the 3rd or 4th of every month, because I was trying to look for it today, or yesterday, and I couldn't find it at all. But I'm sure another box will come out. And they give them different names. Like if you look up the Asos beauty box, it doesn't necessarily lead you to all of the boxes, but you can actually see the past boxes if you look up their individual names, or I don't know. I don't really understand why they don't make it easier to find the box, but hey. So this month's box is Summer Box, I think. That's what they called it. Ready for that healthy sun-kissed glow you only get in summer. You don't have to wait for the weather to sort itself out, although to be fair, the weather's been pretty amazing lately. Everything you need is right here in this box. Then it says everything's in it. Summer Skin nailed it. So, oh, did you see I saved it there? Saved it. L'Oreal Paris Smooth Sugars Clear Scrub purifies and lifts blackheads. 3 fine sugars and kiwi seeds. Ooh. Face and lips self-heating texture. Ooh, exfoliates of 100% natural origin. So they have 3 types of scrub. They have a clear scrub, a glow scrub, and a nourish scrub. The clear scrub purifies and lifts blackheads. The glow scrub polishes, boosts radiance, and the nourish scrub softens and smooths. Use 3 times a week, it says. For the first time, L'Oreal Paris laboratories have selected 3 fine sugars and combined them with kiwi seeds to instantly reveal pure, fresh, and baby soft skin. Also use on the lips to smooth and refine lip line and to improve the wear of lipstick. Oh, I could do with that. A natural exfoliant rich in essential nutrients, we've selected fine crystals of brown, golden and white sugars for deep yet gentle exfoliation. Kiwi seeds to smooth skin surface, peppermint essential oil known to reduce blemishes, lemongrass essential oil recognised for helping to purify pores. Beyond clearing, our expert blend cares for the skin. It's delicately scented, the light fresh formula heats on the skin for maximum efficiency and a unique cleansing experience. Immediately, skin is clear, soft and purified. After a week, pores and blackheads are less visible. After use, skin is purified and revived with a baby soft touch. Okay, I have to say, this packaging is beautiful. I love it. Look at it. It's gold, it's shiny, it's classy. Okay, so this is the size of the actual tub. The cardboard box is too big for the size of this tub, to be honest, but hey. Oh. So it just looks like that. It's like kind of a gel. It smells lovely. I don't know what kiwis taste like because I've never eaten a kiwi just as a kiwi, only in stuff. But maybe it smells of kiwi, I don't know. I've just put a little bit on my thumb, just here. The grains are there, but they're very fine. Yeah, it does have a warming. It does get warm. Sounds like it's going to do everything it says on the tin. I wonder if you could even just put this on your arms as well. Sure you could. If it can go on your face, it must be able to go on your arms and stuff. Because particularly in summer, I get lots of like, I don't know if you can really see it, but like, I think my hair follicles get blocked up or something. I use moisturiser all year round, so I don't know why they get blocked up at certain times of year, but they do. So I am very happy with that. Right, what do we have next? Oh, Saint Tropez Self Tan Purity Natural Glowing Skin, and it looks very summery. Good packaging, well done Saint Tropez. Glow from within and achieve your most natural looking golden tan in just one application with our ultra lightweight skin protecting and tropical scented tanning water mousse. I'm going to put this on my hand now, it's going to go everywhere, isn't it? Oh, okay, so we have a bit. I'm proud of myself, I didn't mess that up. Oh, it smells lovely. It just smells really fruity. So I can exfoliate and then I can tan. Be interesting to see if I have an extra brown hand in the morning. Wait until touch dry before getting dressed. No need to rinse off. Before getting skin wet, allow 8 hours for your natural looking tan to fully develop. Prolong and maintain your tan, moisturise daily, exfoliate regularly and reapply as required. Well, this is my patch test. I'm trying to see. There's no difference yet, is there? I don't know why I think fake tan is instant. We will do the pore test in the morning. I like the smell and I like that this seems very easy to use. Because even though I'm brown, I need to be browner in lots of places. It's the inside of my arms as well. I'd love it if I could get those more brown. Never heard of this brand before. Sanoflor. Sanoflor? Aqua Magnifica. Essence Botanique Pefatrice de Pou. What? Should I just read the English? Skin Perfecting Botanical Essence. Essential oil and hydrosol of organic mentha perita. For all skin types, even sensitive. Is certified organic. Okay. Oh. It smells like dentist water. As in, you know the stuff you rinse your mouth out with? Yeah, no, that's not cute. Okay, what is this stuff? 99% of ingredients from natural origin, made using organic ingredients. Let me go and find some more information out about this. Okay, so what I've gathered about this product is it's basically a toner replacement. Is it a toner or just a toner replacement? I don't know. It says improve your skin tone and texture by using this. It's a multitasking formula that works to soothe, illuminate and hydrate your complexion. Infused with floral water, peppermint and 9 organic essential oils, the luxurious essence sweeps effortlessly over skin to help minimise the appearance of visible pores whilst promoting smoother, more refined skin with restored radiance, suitable for all skin types, including sensitive. You can expect a soothed, nourished complexion without oily residue. Just says wipe over your face morning and night with a cotton pad. The Sanoflor website says it releases impurities, unclogs skin, retightens pores, it illuminates. People saw a reduction in blackheads, imperfections, sebum secretions, 98% notice the skin feels clean to touch. Well, we would hope so. Maybe it's the peppermint, I guess, that makes it stink. And I just went to husband and I said, what does this smell like to you? And he was like, like an astringent. Which isn't always the thing you look for when putting on your face, but I will give it a go because how do we know unless we try? So that's another decent sample anyway. I have to say so far we've had a full size and we've had 2 decent samples. Next up is this, which I love, which is a full size product. Thank you very much. We've had super value in this box already. Nip and Fab Soften, skin softening moisturiser for dry skin with superfoods, kale and watercress. I don't have dry skin. My skin tends to be oily, I guess. I mean, shiny at the least. But I do love this moisturiser. You can use it every night and it makes your skin feel good. I wouldn't use it in the day only because it makes my skin look very shiny. But as a nice night moisturiser, it's great. So I think that anyone can use it even if you don't have dry skin. Or if you wanted to use it as like a once a week treatment or every other night treatment type thing. It's just really, really nice. What does it say? Daily moisturiser to help soften and comfort dry skin. A superfood powerhouse of kale, watercress and almond oil enriched skin with deep nourishment, protects against external aggressions that can cause dry skin, whilst concentrated aloe vera and shea butter help soothe skin and improve texture. Kale extract is rich in vitamins A, C and K to help reinvigorate the skin. Watercress extract helps skin to retain maximum softness and elasticity. Aloe vera gently moisturises and rejuvenates skin. Cucumber soothes and refreshes dry skin. and I would always say that my skin definitely looks happier and feels really nice and soft and plump whenever I use this. So always happy to have another jar of this. Oh, and currently on the Nip and Fab website it is on sale for £8. It's normally £19.95, so this is the time to go and grab yourself one. Last item, guys, already. So this is a brand I've never heard of, Fab First Aid Beauty. First Aid Beauty? Or have I had something from First Aid Beauty? I don't know. I feel like I vaguely know the name, but I don't really know. Have I? Haven't I? Don't know. Coconut Micellar Makeup Melter. Dissolves all makeup, even long wear. Ophthalmology tested. Don't know what that means. I would have thought that's eyes, but that can't be eyes. It must be something to do with skin. Is it? Is it? Massage the product over the eye area. Oh, okay. It's for eye makeup. See, I said ophthalmology for eyes, right? I am clever. Cleverer than I know. On dry skin, gently massage the products over the eye area for 15 to 20 seconds or until eye makeup is dissolved. Use additional product all over the face to cleanse the complexion. Rinse with water or a damp washcloth. Okay, that's nice. Always like something that helps with our eye makeup and presumably is not going to be making our eyes unhappy. It effectively cleanses and clarifies skin without over drying or uncomfortable tightness. Infused with a host of beneficial ingredients including nourishing coconut water, sodium hyaluronate and antioxidant rich goji berry, the makeup remover melts away even the most stubborn waterproof types to leave skin feeling smooth and conditioned after use. While it's tough on makeup, it's safe to use around the eyes even for contact lens wearers. That is good to know. It leaves your skin feeling soft, nourished and smooth, never tight or dry, with no greasy after feel. Yeah, I haven't actually seen that before, saying it's safe for contact lens users. So if that is you, maybe you want to give this a try. So I believe the total value of this box is £45.65, which is pretty awesome for a £12 box, isn't it? I'm happy with that. I did buy a couple of extra things. One extra thing, I bought my eye mask, which is something I really needed. I needed that mask, and it is the most comfortable eye mask to sleep in. I'm so happy with it. So that meant no postage packaging. So I'm going to say it's £12. And yeah, I'm really happy with this box. And I think if I can get hold of one every month, then I will, because I really like the products, I like the value of the box, and I like the price. All things that make me happy. Let me know down below what you think of the products. Would you enjoy to receive this box? Has it got things in you like? Or would you give it a miss? Do you think it's a good value for money box? Thank you so much for watching this. Sorry it was a bit late, but hopefully you don't mind me popping it up anyway. And until you see me next time, I hope you live every moment well and take care of yourselves. Bye guys.